Hi, my name is Christine G, and I am going to be looking at this problem and trying to have you understand it better. So here we have, we're looking for the critical value for the z-score, z sub alpha divided by 2 that corresponds to a 94% level of confidence. So first thing I do is let's go ahead and go into StatCrunch, and we'll take a look at it and talk about it further. So first thing I do is go into Stat, Calculators, and then this is a normal distribution. A normal distribution curve can help us calculate probabilities and all kinds of things. And let's go ahead and see what this says. So 94% level of confidence. So what that means is there's going to be 6% outside of that, and that 6% the 6% would be this alpha right here, and we divide it by 2. And let's do that, and then we'll talk about it further. So 6% divided by 2 would give us not 0.5 but 0.03, because that's 3%, which is half of 6. And then here we can see when we calculate that, let's go ahead and do it. That's just one of the tails. The other tail would be over here. So let's do it for the greater than, and we're looking for 0.03. Okay, so that's right here. This is 3% in this red, and the other 3% would have been down here. And so the value would be 1.88. Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, and so that critical value works. So let me go ahead and try and pull that up again and do a screenshot, and then we can look at it a little bit further. So here we have down here would have been the other 3%. So we've got 3% here in this tail, and then 3% in this tail. And here we had the 94%. And what's this is where the mean would be located. So it's this is 0 standard deviations from the mean. This is 1 standard deviation from the mean. This is 2. And we got that this was the 3%, which is right in here somewhere. Oops. Right here is 1.88 standard deviations from the mean. And a lot of times with confidence intervals, we see 90%, 95%, and then 99% is also another one that we see quite a bit of. And all we're doing is we're taking the normal curve, and we're finding the critical value by putting this in StatCrunch, so whatever is in one of the tails, and then we're getting the critical values here and here. So I hope this makes sense, and let me know if you have further questions. And these can all be calculated in StatCrunch. Instead of putting 0.03 for 90%, we take 10% is left over, divided by 2, and we get 5% in each of the tails. So this number down here would be 0.05 instead, and then we get the critical value right here. So I hope that makes sense, and we do that for each of these to get the critical values. And let me know if you have further questions. Hope this helped. Thanks.